How y'all doing tonight? Just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers and all the subscribers that have been here for over the last 3 months. And just want to let you know that the channel's starting to really grow pretty fast. And tonight I'm going to do a live stream as a thank you for everybody's support, comments, likes, subscribes, and shares. It's really been helping out with the channel. We're getting a lot of new people every day, and we're going to do what I call a midnight burn, but we're going to do it about 9:30 Eastern time. These boards behind me, we're going to torch them with this butane or propane torch behind me here, and it shoots out about a 4-foot flame, a real bright blue, and I'm going to torch them against insect and water infiltration, and this preserves this wood for decades and decades, if not hundreds of years, depending on how well the method's going to go. Here's a quick demonstration of what this torch is, but it don't look nothing like this at night, y'all. It looks crazy at night. Hold on, y'all gonna like this. All right, now, y'all imagine that, about 4 feet long, bright blue, at dark now. That's gonna be off the chain, y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. We'll see y'all tonight.